Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Anirudh. Today I'm going to show you a program which I made which will unscramble a word or scramble it. So let's get started. I'm going to import a module called spellchecker. I think you can install it using pip install spellchecker. Search it in PYPI if I PYPI I think so. Yeah, if you want. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm just going to initialize the class spell checker. You can I'll just give you the code in GitHub, link in the description down below, or you can write it by yourself. So I'm gonna say spell is equal to spell checker. Then I'm gonna clear the screen with that CLS, and I'm gonna set a input word is I'm gonna set a variable called word, and input enter a word, and word input is equal to word. So I'm going to store a variable called word input, and I'm gonna put the variable word in the value of the variable word into it. Then I'm gonna set a variable called times to 0, and sgen to input we want to scramble it, and sgen input to hn, and sgen word is equal to, and comma word, and sgen dot lower and word dot lower. Then if sgen is equal to sgen, so yeah, you know that, right? Shuffle word, shuffle it, word is list, word shuffle, random dot shuffle. Fgn word sh is equal to shuffle word word inp. Then s is, so I'm gonna say if the variable string is true, I'm gonna ask word shoe is equal to shuffle is equal to shuffle word. Then I'm gonna set start variable s2 time. Then I'm going to do a while loop. Uh, so I'm going to put a try statement. Um, so word is equal to shuffle word again, word corrected. So I'm going to ask the spell checker to correct the word. And if correct is not equal to word, then it'll add the times 1. Then it's going to print trying. And len of corrected equal to len of word. And all the letters in corrected list in the word. Then it's going to calculate the time, how much it took, and print it, and print the how much times it took to crack the word, unscramble the word or scramble it. And yeah, it's gonna print the unscrambled word, and if sgen is true, it's gonna print scrambled word. And yeah, it's just correct last, and if it's correct it'll break, and if not it'll just do that again. And if it wants to do that again, it'll just clear the screen, and again it'll display that, print all those. And if you give a keyboard interrupt, it'll exit the program. That's it. Thanks for watching again, and see you soon, and bye!
Thanks for watching. Give a sub to my channel to not miss any other videos just like this one.